Defense resting its case in the Lindsay Clancy trial today.
But testimony did not stop after that. Our Sarah Kanji joins us live outside the courthouse in Plymouth tonight. Sarah.
Eric and Ed, the defense's final witness, a high-profile forensic psychiatrist who testified that Clancy was indeed suffering a psychotic episode, believing that she was doing her children a favor by taking their lives.
Ms. Clancy was frankly psychotic.
A forensic psychiatrist who's testified in high-profile cases, including Andrea Yates and the Unabomber, gave his expert opinion about Lindsay Clancy.
She believed that she was doing what was right for her children.
Dr. Philip Resnick met with Clancy 4 months after her 3 young children, Cora, Dawson, and Callan, were strangled in the basement of their Duxbury home. Clancy is standing trial for their murders. Her defense argues she is not guilty because Clancy was suffering a psychotic episode when the children were killed.
Not only did she hear a command, but she felt that her body was taken over by an external force where she was in a dream state and did not have control of her own body.
The prosecution called its own expert, also a forensic psychiatrist, who disputes that Clancy suffered from psychosis.
Her mental state at that time was a continuation of the mental state she had had for months. And it was a mental state that included the capacity to control her behavior and also to be able to conform her conduct to standards of law.
Dr. Mack pointing to the day of the killings and how Lindsay Clancy, he says, was acting normally, taking her daughter to the doctor and building a snowman with the children. His testimony will continue on Monday. In Plymouth, Sarah Kanji, WCVB News Center 5.
Sarah, thank you. A reminder, Sarah is sharing her live notes from the courtroom. You can follow her live updates and watch key moments from the trial inside our WCVB app and on Very Local. And a reminder, help is always available. For postpartum support, call the number on your screen. The National Suicide Crisis Lifeline is also available 24/7 by calling or texting 988.